Hey guys, I'm Tapos Groove and today we're going to be playing Cake Wars with my friend Adar here. He's also streaming Cake Wars now, you can go check him out. Adar, what's your stream name?
Peely Boss.
So go check out Peely Boss and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. And today we're going to play Cake Wars. Adar, let's go. So
Okay, boy.
we are like pros at this game now, we've been playing this a lot. So Adar, tell them the basics of Cake Wars.
I just say there's only one rule. There are no rules. So yeah.
Stop being dramatic, Adar. The rules are: if your cake's alive, then you are alive. If your cake is gone, then you are dead too. So yeah, that's literally the only two rules you have. So Adar, let's
Yes,
start
sir.
playing.
Yes, sir.
Can't see anything. Hi Adar.
But why do you have? Oh, I thought that you have diamond armor.
We are a cyan team. That's why we look like we have diamond armor because you're pros. I hate this map so
Imagine
much.
if, imagine if there's a team that does not have diamond armor and we just go to them, like this, and then they'll think that we have diamond armor.
That'd be so stupid.
That's what. I'm gonna switch to controller.
You don't like keyboard at all.
No, the sensitivity is too much. Like,
I got emerald point, boys. Let's go. Adar, can you bring some blocks
where are
to
you?
me? I'm at emerald point 1. Actually, you know what? You protect base.
No, I'm coming. I'm
Or you
coming.
just give me some blocks, and then you go protect base. Just throw them to me.
I'm coming nice and slow. I'm coming nice and
You
slow.
slow boy. Throw the blocks. Fast, 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 fast. And go protect base, okay?
Yep.
That's enough. Stop.
Just take everything.
No, stop. I'm not getting anything. Hello?
What's your?
I think you should stop, Adar. I'm not getting anything. Adar,
What?
I'm not getting anything. Stop. Stop, Adar. I'm
That's
getting
possible.
nothing. Oh, now I got it. I don't want yours. Okay, bye.
Hey boy, let's go nice and slow.
You go protect
Safety
base.
first. Safety first.
We have a cake, Adar. You die, no one cares. Let's go. Middle point was ours, boy. Let's go.
Should I make yourself? Should I make you? Do you need a diamond sword?
I'll take it myself. Adar, take all the nether stars you get, okay? I'll give them all to you.
I'm not
You're
gonna.
the nether star collector. You know what to do.
I'm just gonna put the nether
Resources.
stars in the chest.
Yeah,
Where's the chest?
where it's supposed to be. Duh.
Yes.
Adar, put endstone around the cake, okay? While I'm gone.
Okay. Are you sure that we need endstone and not sandstone? Oh yeah, endstone.
Yeah, endstone it is. Tell me when you get
Sir,
10 nether stars, okay? Then I'll move from here.
I have 41 time, 541 emeralds.
Oh, can you give
I'm
me
gonna
some?
make.
Oh, yeah, okay. You first protect yourself. Resources 1
I'll.
and protection 1. Let's go. And nice protection, Adar. No protection at all, actually.
Sir, that's me.
Yeah, that's you.
I have three nether stars. 5. Now, should I upgrade something? Yes, or
No,
something.
wait for protection.
Okay.
I mean, wait for sharpness.
7. Oh, and now I'm upgrading sharpness.
Good job. Hooray, we are pros. Why are we so happy that we are pros? We're always pros. Adar, buy some wool fast. Wait, I'll buy it. I'll
We
buy
are
it.
by default. We are by default pros.
Oh, and I'm glitching. Nice, okay. Blocks, blocks, blocks. I'm completing your incomplete base, Adar. Whatever this is.
Ah, there it goes. Yes. Wait a minute. We just lost the emerald point. I mean the middle point.
Yeah, we lost it. I'm going to go back. Just after putting this properly.
Wait, let me go. I have all diamond armor.
Oh, yeah, you go, okay. Don't die, okay? Don't fall off the bridge.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's the most stressful point. Oh shit.
What happened? Adit, no. Adit, stop scaring everyone, man.
I'm crouching.
You crouch more. Come on.
Wait, we still have no. Wait, green has the emerald point.
Yep.
I'm gonna take what. I'm gonna take back what is ours.
Yep. And that is what? Our
Blue's cake
middle
has been
point.
eaten.
Yeah, we are
Blue's cake
cyan.
has been eaten.
We are cyan. We are cyan. Don't worry.
No, I'm just. No,
Telling.
I'm not scared.
Who said you're
Cyan has
scared?
captured middle point.
Yes, let's go, Adit. Stay there for a while.
Thanos. Wait, what? I have to stay there?
Stay there for a while. Stay there for a while. You'll scare everyone for a while.
Okay.
No one will come unless they
I
have
have
full
16
diamond armor.
emeralds.
Then come back. Come back. I need them. I need them. Just come back. Come.
Which should I take another emerald point?
Yeah, do
Because I
that.
can see that there's another emerald point like straight ahead. That's
Yeah, that's what I did, Adit. You just go, take it, and run back. Get as many emeralds as you can from it. Advantage.
should I kill somebody's cake?
Not now. You have too much stuff on you. I'll also come to help you then. Adar, which emerald point are you at? Hey, Adar. Hi. Let's go. Whose cake you want to kill? Orange. Okay, let's go. Orange versus us. They can't defeat us.
No, wait, no, nobody's at the blue base. Nobody's at the blue base.
Blue is dead, Adar. I'm going to kill
Oh,
orange.
blue's dead. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Die. Die, die. Bye.
Let's go.
Adar, do you have a...
Quickly.
I hope we... Okay, I didn't have a pickaxe, Adar. Buy a pickaxe. Till that time, I'm taking his cake. Done. Wait for him. Yeah, kill him.
Go.
Adar, kill him. I mean, he has only...
Where is he?
He's behind you. He only has leather armor. Don't be scared of him. Adar.
I can't even kill him, man.
Yeah. Adar, buy a diamond... buy an iron pickaxe, okay? I'm going to the middle
But where
point.
is this guy trying to go?
He died. We caught him.
Right, okay.
You buy an iron pickaxe.
I'm gonna see what's inside his chest.
Nothing.
Okay, he doesn't put anything inside his chest.
That's what.
What a bummer.
Yeah, what a bot. Nice.
No, what a bummer.
Bummer or botter? I don't even know anymore. Bummer.
What
I
a
hope my people can hear you because you said they can't hear you, right? I mean, they can't hear me, right? Or can they? Can they hear me?
But they can. No, they can't.
That's just sad, Adar. Oh my god, 15
I
nether
told
stars.
you that there's a party that. Wait, what? Oh,
I know it's scary.
that sound.
IKR.
Okay, I'm going to collect another. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I got green coming near me.
Do they have full diamond armor?
Yup. I'm just running for my life.
Okay, run for your life. I'm coming there. Wait, let me just buy haste. And
Whoa! That sound is so scary.
Adar, you scaredy cat.
Oh, see, I'm on the bridge.
Okay, come back. I've got some emeralds for you. I'm full diamond armor right now.
I'm the king of the. Wait, what? What? Why am I dying? What?
Adar. Green is here. Green is here. Green is at our base. Kill him. We are 2 versus 1.
Confused.
Kill him. Fast. Die.
Confused.
Die. Come on. Yes, let's go. He's gonna die. No, I died with all the stuff I had. No. Adar, kill him. He's low. 2v1, he can't defeat us. Died? No, he's still killing you.
No, I'm about to die.
Adar, he's getting the hits on you. Why? You died.
I'm
Oh, yeah,
still
finally he died. Hush. My god, he stayed alive for so long.
And I need something.
That guy did collateral damage, man. We just lost all the stuff.
I still have 7 nether stars.
I have 6.
I
Give
don't
me.
lose
Put them all in the chest.
Now I have 9. Wait, Thanos, let's just upgrade Thanos. We can't. This is the end game now. Only three teams are left.
Okay, Adar, still put the nether stars. I can get protection too. Just put them.
I have 11. Thanos, just give it to me. I'll
Okay, I'll put it in the chest, Adar. Take it. Get sharpness too. I think we already have protection too. No, we lost an emerald point. What?
Okay. It's okay. Sharpness.
Good job. I'm going to kill some people. Wish me luck.
And I'm going to collect back our middle point.
I'm going to the middle point.
Yeah, okay. Even I'm coming.
Okay, we are the only team with 2 people in it, so we have an advantage.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take green's emerald point because why not? They're noobs. Are they?
And even I'm taking green's emerald point.
I'm at
Is there
green's.
bots?
Nice.
No, there's another green.
He doesn't even have full diamond armor. Die.
He doesn't
Wooden
tell me that
sword,
he
wow.
died.
He has a wooden sword, people. Nice.
Did you die?
No, I
Did you
killed
die?
him. That guy
Where
had a
are you? Are
wooden
you at
sword.
red?
No, I'm at green.
Are
I'm
you at
killing
red or
green.
green?
Green is gonna die. And other green and red doesn't exist. Other red died.
Oh, red died. Okay.
Wait. Where's the cake? Oh no, I killed it. I killed green. Other, what are you doing?
I'm stuck. That is you stuck.
I'm not
Okay,
stuck.
wait.
I'll do
Or
this.
are you?
Jump. Yeah.
Check the chest. Do they have a chest?
I don't care. I killed green. Now only pink is left. I hope he hasn't gone to our base.
Okay, wait. Pink. We need to destroy Pink's cake.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Find Pink.
Find pink, yeah.
Wait,
Just
where
stay.
is Pink? Where is Pink?
I think he's AFK. I'm not sure. Seriously, where is he?
He's what?
AFK, matlab he's not playing. Adar, come on.
He's there. Pink is there.
Where? We need blocks. I don't have blocks. Do you have blocks?
I have only 5.
Where is he? Can you see him? His cake
That's the
is
base.
unprotected. We can buy
Let's go.
ender pearls and go there. Easy.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't even have any emeralds, so he should be a noob. He should have nothing.
I want to do the honors of destroying cake.
Sure. I'll let you do that, I guess.
Imagine if I die in the last point.
I'd be so sad, man.
Wait, I haven't even died once.
Nice. I've died quite a few times actually. I have 18 other stars. What can I buy? Haste 2, I guess. Literal
Okay,
pros
wait.
here. Helmet? Check.
Ender pearl. I'm buying 2 just in case.
Okay, I have 12 nether stars, my god. Oh no, I'm glitching in the floor. No, I'm not. Hush. Close.
Okay, now I'm gonna aim at the roof.
Aim properly,
Wish me
Adar,
luck.
okay?
Wish me luck.
I think he's AFK. I'm also going with you. Yeah. Hooray,
Oh,
you
let's
reached.
go. That was perfect. Let's go. I'm doing the honors.
Wait. Where is he? Oh my god, he's AFK.
3, 2, 1. Let the celebrations begin.
Yay!
Tasty cake.
Let's hit him with our
What
fists.
tasty.
Adar, let's hit him with our fist.
It's okay. Wait.
Come on. Boo.
Is he even dying?
Yeah. Yay! Let's
go.
go.
We are epic.
Truly epic.
Okay.
Those are pro skills, man. We won so easily. It's unreal. I'm in
What?
purple. We're playing solo, Adar. I'm against you. Ha. Best of luck, Adar. I hope you die soon.
Shit. Wait. Okay, I don't like this map.
You don't like any map, Adar.
No, I like the last map because everything was just so close.
That's an excuse. Speed bridging, boys. Let's go. Adar, are you blue?
Wait a minute. This is not solo. Yellow has 2 people.
We were also 2 people last time. We forgot, and then everyone else was 1. We had a slight
And
advantage.
even Cyan has 2. Even Cyan has 2. Even Red has 2.
Okay, I guess I don't really care. I want to defeat you. That's all.
We got a team. Oh wait. You want to defeat me? Okay.
I mean, no, we can team if you want to. Nah, but actually,
Yeah.
I want to. No teaming. Cross teaming is banned. You know. You should know that, Adar. I want to kill you. That's all I know. And you're gonna die. Okay, you're gonna be dead. You're gonna be
And which team
spectating
are
me.
you?
You're in blue. I'm in purple.
Uh,
Don't get confused because purple is better than pink. Okay.
what?
It was a horrible joke. Let's go, boys. Protect cake. Protecting cake. I don't know how Adit protects the cake so much for no reason. I think my way of protecting the cake is much better. Because protecting this cake is kinda easy. Just kill anyone who comes here. Yeah. So Adhir will die because he'll die.
Let's
That
see.
we'll see.
Let's see.
Last time we fought, Adhir lost badly. If you remember, Adhir.
That's because I was on iPad,
Now this time you're on.
Xbox.
Okay, let's see the difference. The so-called big difference, Adhir. I already got
It is
resources, Adhir.
even I have resources.
No, you don't. I've
But I do. How can you see what I have?
because you don't have the middle point.
What?
Middle point, I'm coming for you.
But middle point doesn't want you.
It wants me. That's why I had it since so long. And then I just lost it because of some noob. Hey, Orange, get out of here. Die. Die, die. Yeah, run away.
Get out of my spotlight, boy.
Okay, where are you, Adhir? I want to see your face. And oh, you
I
have
don't
the
know,
emerald
somewhere.
point, Adhir. Nice. And stone all around. Hi, Adhir. That's you, right? I'm at the middle point. Hi.
Jump.
No. Hey, you're distracting me, Adhir. Run away, run away. Break his bridge. Break, 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 break. Hey, you gonna come here? You gonna come here, boy?
Okay. Ah. Hey, Orange is trying to come here.
Let him come now
Come
then.
here, boy. I have a diamond sword, a diamond helmet, a golden. A iron chestplate, and he only has iron armor with the iron sword.
Die.
Let's see. I want to see what you're gonna
Let's
do.
go. I killed. I don't know who I killed, but I killed Cyan. Yeah, I killed Cyan. Because Cyan was a noob.
Okay, no, I'm just gonna leave this guy.
Cyan be acting like noob, bro.
Okay, this guy's trying to take my emerald point. As soon as I'm leaving, this guy's just building more and more. Okay, boy, you wanna fight? You wanna fight?
I want to
Yes,
fight. I
sir.
want to fight. I want to fight.
No, I'm talking to the orange guy.
Oh. Become rich. Let's go. 22 nether stars. Boy, I'm rich. I am seriously rich. I can buy a diamond chest plate, diamond boots, full diamond armor. Boy, let's go. Protection 2. Yup. I'll just buy some blocks, I guess. And I'll buy a bow, buy some arrows. Nice, okay, I guess, but I want more. I'm not greedy, but still. Look at the loot I'm getting, guys. I'll actually wait for sharpness too. Full diamond ammo. What should I buy? Oh, I lost the middle point. Who's taking it? Let's see. Other, I hope you're not taking it. Oh, other full diamond armor,
Okay,
eh?
now.
Die. I'm helping you, other. Let me take the emerald point and I'll give you protection, okay? That's the deal.
No, 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 no.
I have sharpness 2, protection 2. I'm a kitted boy, man. What are you gonna do? Should I kill you, Adit? That could be a good idea. Should I
I'm
kill
being a
you?
kind person, you see. I'm not even taking a middle point, even though I'm right near
It's
the
not
middle
my
point.
middle point anymore, Adar. Now it's mine. Hi, Adar, you want to PvP me? You PvP me, boy? Come here, come
No, I
here.
want a team. I know, I want a team. Hey, stop it,
No,
stop it,
I don't
stop
want a
it.
team. Cross teaming is bannable, Adar. I don't want to be banned like you.
Zoom back to base.
Oh no, someone is attacking you
Hey!
while you're going back to base. Adar, I'm so sorry. I had to kill you. Should I break your cake? Adar, tell me, should I?
Nope.
Wow, Adar. I told you how many times not to act like a noob. You left the top of your cake empty. You scared me, man. I was taking emeralds, man. You took like what? Half a heart from me. Adar, you left the top of your cake empty. Why? Why do this? I'll leave half of your cake if you don't hit me. Adar, your cake is alive. I'm protecting it. Adar? Adar? Adar, I'll not break your cake if you don't hit me. If you hit me, your cake is gone. Okay? See, I protected your cake. You hit my cake, you hit me, your cake is gone. Why aren't you saying anything? You planning something? Say something or else I'll kill you. You hit me, you hit me. Now your cake is gone, Adar. Oh my god. Diamond sword. Smart idea. I'm dancing on top of your cake. Adar, I can see you. So tell me yes or no. Should I break your cake or not?
Nope.
One slice remaining. Oh, I ate it. Sorry. Gonna die, Adar. Fine, you can hit me once or twice. One hit, two hit, three hit. Oh, I mean, missing my shot. Adar, are you on half a heart?
Nope.
I'll...
I am!
Oh, you were on half a heart. Oh. So sorry I had to die, Adar. At least you can spectate me and see how pro I am.
Nope. No, thank you. I'm going now, bye.
Where are you going, Adar?
Home.
You're at home. Social
I'm
distancing.
not. I'm not at home.
You are at home, Adar. We all know.
I'm not.
Seriously? You're not at home?
Nope.
You sure?
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye, Adar. Yes. Adar had to go, guys, because he rage quit. I'm guessing. But sure, he had to leave, so he had to leave. And I just ate Red's cake. Let's go. Where's Red? Where's Red? Oh, he's here. You're gonna fight me, boy? Die, die, die. Yep. You dead. Where's your other teammate? Huh? Wait, do you have another teammate? I'm not even sure. Hey, Cyan. Oh, okay. Cyan doesn't even care. I've taken the emerald point. Nice. Again, don't have to use my ender pearl. Sad. Oh, obsidian. Sneaky. Come on. What? Everyone's cake is destroyed? I didn't see that coming. Die. Die, 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 die. You dead, boy. Haha. You dead. That was actually a close one. I didn't realize that everyone's cake has been eaten. Oh no. I should go back to base and kit up a lot. I mean, a lot more than I am now. Wait, Red is still alive. How? Where is Red? Wait, Orange has taken my point. How dare he? I should go to Orange now, I think. Yup. No. Let's go kill Orange. Yeah. Now my rune of holding is kinda useless, so yeah. Yeah, you wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? Dude, again? No, I'm gonna kill you. Bye. Okay, that was easy. I think that's how you survive by bribing everyone. Great. Where's everyone else? I think I'll go for red next because red was. I thought red was dead, but seems like red is alive somehow. Or is it a glitch from my side? I'm not even sure anymore. I'll check anyways. Where's yellow? I have to check that also. Wait, red is alive. Die red. Bye red. So red is dead. Okay. Now all I have to do is kill. If I was yellow, where would I be? Let's see. Where's yellow's base? Over there. Okay. I think they're camping or they're AFK. I'm not even sure. No gaps here. Okay. Yeah. Yellow, where are you? Wait, where's yellow? Huh? So confused. Where did yellow go? I hope he's not hiding somewhere. No, oh my god, he's AFK. I should have seen that. Blanket Cloud 782. Thank you for letting me win. Let's go! Another game of cake was in the bag. Guys, I think that's all for today. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe. And comment down below what you want to see on Minecraft next, because I'm going to be posting more videos. And by the way, follow my channel, my Twitch channel, Tapmaster Pro, for more streams that are going to come up soon. Okay, guys? So, bye, guys.